there's a lot to learn from history, but then history हमें सिखा के कुछ क्या ही कर लेगी अगर हम सीखना ही नहीं चाहते हैं तो. Human history is rich and its lessons are even more richer, but then time किसके पास है? We would rather repeat our mistakes, and when everything burns to hell, हम तब जाकर वो सही स्टेप लेंगे जो हमें पहले ही ले लेना चाहिए था. दिल्ली एनसीआर के कम्युनिटी डॉग्स का केस कुछ ऐसा ही है. Apart from it being insanely cruel, trying to eradicate an entire species is not a smart idea. Now, with God's grace, Supreme Court modified its August 11th verdict. Dogs won't remain in shelters permanently. उन्हें वैक्सीनेट किया जाएगा और उन्हीं के लोकेलिटी में वापस छोड़ दिया जाएगा until they have rabies or they are aggressive in nature. Basically, a middle ground that a lot of people were looking for from the start. But then क्या हुआ ऐसा अचानक से that everyone is getting so worked up? So there's this video coming from Rohini, allegedly from a shelter, which is very gruesome to watch. Puppies and dogs crying, getting beaten up, them dying in cages and whatnot. All in all, there still are people who are killing dogs in the name of vaccinating them. And unfortunately, there are a few people who, if not support, तो उन्हें फर्क भी नहीं पड़ रहा उस वीडियो से कोई, which is equally bad. So if you are someone who think कि that will magically transform everything, then you are so wrong. History देखो. Medieval Europe में there was a time when cats were associated with witches, and based on that a large number of cats were killed. What followed was Black Death. Rats and rodents की population इतनी ज़्यादा बढ़ी कि it led to Yersinia pestis, a kind of bacteria which killed 1/3 of Europe's population from 1347 to 1351. Early 1900s, Yellowstone National Park, US में grey wolves were hunted to almost extinction. What followed was elk overpopulation, and उनके overgrazing की वजह से river banks started eroding, leading to birds and beaver population crashing. 1958, the four pest campaign, China, sparrows were targeted to save grains, but उनकी population घटी तो insects की population बढ़ी, which anyways finished crops. Not just these, ऐसे बहुत से examples हैं वहाँ पे जहाँ पे humans being humans tried to kill an entire species and it backfired. So before going above and beyond to free Delhi NCR from its community dogs completely, maybe think कि ऐसी क्या problem है जो आगे चल के आ सकती है जो फिलहाल के लिए controlled है because of dogs. Also, it's just very inhumane.